Frustrated with a buggy update on your Sony A7 IV? Today, we're showing you how to safely downgrade your firmware and regain control. First, head to the Sony support website for your A7 IV model and locate the previous firmware version you want to revert to make sure it's a legitimate source who avoid any risks. Download the firmware file, then format an SD card using your computer to ensure it is clean. Next, copy the downloaded firmware file directly onto the root directory of the formatted SD card. Avoid placing it in any folders. Safely eject the SD card from your computer and insert it into the A7 IV. Now, on your camera, navigate to the menu, find the Setup section, and then select version. This will display your current firmware. Scroll down to find Software Update, and select it. The camera should recognize the firmware file on your SD card. A warning message will appear, emphasizing the risks involved. Read it carefully. Downgrading can potentially cause issues if not done correctly. If you understand and accept the risks, proceed with the downgrade. Ensure your camera has sufficient battery power or is connected to a power source during the entire process. Do not turn off the camera. Once complete, the camera will restart. Verify that the downgrade was successful by checking the firmware version again in the menu. And there you have it. You've successfully downgraded your Sony A7 for firmware. Now you can get back to creating